Hey guys, Cutterup Rob here. So we had an issue with the motor in the first gen, that truck. We just pulled the motor out of it tonight. And some of you guys probably seen the video of, I shouldn't say video, the pictures on Instagram of me on the side of the road. Well, this is what happened. So this is the oil pump. So that's the actual gear that goes inside the pump. So this shaft is supposed to be press fit in there. I shouldn't be able to turn that. So basically what happened was I lost oil pressure, and I lost oil pressure longer than I thought. You know, driving in the morning, you tend not to be paying complete attention. So anyways, what happened, it actually wasn't as bad. It's not that bad. Obviously it's still, you know, sucks to be, and we just put the motor together, but it toasted this rod. It got that rod hot. Honestly, like, the bearing didn't spin, and there's you know, obviously some damage to the crankshaft too. So I'm gonna have to get a connecting rod, but the Waggler connecting rod actually honestly held up like beautifully to what I was putting it through. And then here's the bearings. So that being said, you know, it doesn't take very long. Like, the rest of the journals are all good. I have really no reason why it was that one. I went back through her paperwork and all that stuff, and it had the same clearance as every other rod. All the pistons look okay. The cam bearing on gear side has a funny little mark in it. Didn't hurt the camshaft, so we'll be replacing that as well. But other than that, there wasn't any damage. Just now a lot of work to go through. Here's the block. To go through everything. And yeah, like I said, here's the other bearings. You know, like this, they got some shiny spots on them, but I don't know, you know, how long it went without oil pressure. So like, here's the, you know, the thrust. It has some, obviously has some shiny spots on it, but yeah, anyways, we'll get it, we'll get the old girl fixed up and back on the road again. I just got to get my hands on one of those rods, and I have everything else here to put it back together. Yeah, we'll have it back on the road again. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you want, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll try to keep you guys entertained.